Build OS Android v7.1.1 Nougat. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors dark charcoal, gold, deep blue. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU octa-core. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.7 inches. Resolution 720 by 1280 pixels, ~258 ppi. Memory built-in 32 GB built-in, 3 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB. Camera main dual 12MP plus 5MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, phase detection, panorama, HDR, video. Front 16MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB microSD. NFC no. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3 AAC plus/WAV/FLAC player, MP4/H.264 player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery capacity 4000 mAh,